Okay guys, the battery is sort of not fully charged, but let's see if it will make something. Okay, that's something. Let me check the timing finals again, guys. Okay guys, let's try again. I put a little bit of carb cleaner in, just because I don't know if there's fuel in. So let's try again. Okay, not yet. Okay guys, for the third attempt I charge the battery a little bit up more. Okay guys, let's try again. Not yet. Okay guys, let's try once more. It will. Let's vertrou nog. Put more fluid in. He decides to make a noise. Nothing. Okay guys, I will go for one more attempt. Now it make as if there's a sound of firing, but I took the WD-40 out and not the carb cleaner. So let me charge the battery up again a bit. Okay guys, this is the last try for the day. Let's hope. Okay, there's something, but it's a backfire, so I need to again check the timing.